In this video, we create a custom dialog and a custom dialog with a text and a button, and we create a challenge event for our button in custom alert dialog. Create a new project and name it custom dialog. Go to layout file and add a button. When user clicks on this button, we open our custom alert dialog. Now right click on layout and new layout resource file and set its name to a, for example, dialog. Change the root element to a linear layout. In this linear layout, add a text view and below it add a button. Now go to main activity. First get a reference of our button in activity main and set a challenge event for this button. Next create we create our custom alert dialog. Use the alert dialog.builder and new it and pass a context to it. We can use a set chance label for our builder, and we can use a set title. We can add a positive button to our button, set its text to OK, and for challenge event we use null. Now we use the builder set view and pass our dialog layout file, which is r.layout.dialog. Next we create our alert dialog and use builder.create. Now that we created, we show it alert dialog.show. Now it's time to create an challenge event for our button inside our custom alert dialog. First, get a reference of our button. We use alert dialog.findViewById and not findViewById, and set a challenge event for this event. And inside this challenge event, we just show a toast. Now run the app. This is our custom alert dialog with a text and a button, and when user clicks on this button, a toast show. Thanks for watching.